我哋都係。你唔係茄喱啡嚟㗎，你我哋台柱嚟㗎。
茄喱啡。我今年就係83歲。83歲。我個名我嘅英文名係 James Ing。喺1976年咧，當我移民加拿大嘅時候咧，我就已經翻嚟即係華人浸信會嘅啦。呢個係一定嘅啦，即係呢次咧，即係年紀大咗，你始終係要小心啲啊！即係特別係上落樓梯咧，係論盡啲嘅啦。我自己相信。大約在一段嘅時間咧，我返教會都有困難㗎啦。我有個需要，可能要用輪椅嚟到幫我行路，即係平時生活可能係影響唔大。但係你話要返教會嘅就上車落車啊，樣樣咧就上嚟就更加困難啦。如果你喺即係電視熒幕上邊嘅敬拜，同埋喺教會實體嘅敬拜係有分別嘅。呢個係我好主觀性嘅感覺。特別係當我哋一齊唱詩讚美神嘅時候咧，喺教會唱詩讚美咧，係嗰個好似係心連心咁樣去讚美。當教會已經要老化嘅時候，有特別需要改，即係應該要改建嘅時候，我哋就係即係好應該係去進行改建嘅。
弟兄姊妹，你哋好，我叫做潘希倫，係今年教會職會嘅主席。我哋嚟咗溫浸都有50年嘅時候，呢個係我哋屬靈嘅家。特別係神睇到神點樣嚟到帶領我哋嘅呢個建堂嘅工作，我哋都願意嘅嚟到係參與。咁我哋喺神嘅祝福裏邊，我哋都可以喺第一次裏邊，我哋有認捐咗幾個 unit。咁而第二次我哋睇到，我哋都係神俾我哋仍然係有足夠嘅金錢，我哋都係 double 咗我哋嘅認捐。而神亦都俾我能夠可以喺唔同嘅方法上邊嚟到係揾多啲錢嚟到係參與呢件工作。我雖然退咗休，但係神都祝福我，俾我有唔同嘅 part time 嘅工作。我哋將所有賺咗嘅 part time 嘅一半嘅金錢，我哋都擺上喺呢個建堂嘅工作上邊，發覺都係好值得，因為呢個係神嘅祝福。
弟兄姊妹，教堂重建係一件好興奮嘅事，因為呢個係與神同工嘅工程。而家關鍵嘅時刻嚟到啦，我哋好需要你哋大量嘅禱告同金錢上嘅參與。我就參加咗星星之火計劃同埋承諾捐獻。以一個打工仔一個人生活嘅模式，當然有憂慮啦，但係我都係擺喺禱告嘅當中。今天恩典夠用，我有健康有穩定嘅生活，仲有3次嘅旅行嘅機會。
Hi, I'm Brian, and I am the outgoing children's pastor, but soon to be administrative pastor. And as we talked about for a while, this project is not just to build a building, but for us to trust in God and put our faith and obedience in pursuing Him. And so you might have heard earlier that Pastor Sam said we are going to contribute using Wyatt's pocket money. And so as a way to 找數, this is the red pocket, we are going to contribute, and we're going to continue stretching our faith year by year by adding more to our contributions. So I hope that you can find your ways to trust in God that way as well.
Hello， 大家好，我係 Pastor Richard 永傳道，我係溫浸嘅年青家庭事工嘅牧者。我好感恩，其實我呢間教會度成長，我呢間教會接近30年，呢個係我屬靈嘅家。其實當我睇建堂呢個計劃嘅時候，其實我哋唔係起一個嘅建築物，但係其實我哋係為每一個人去起一個屬靈嘅家。我盼望我哋呢一個嘅建堂嘅計劃可以成功嘅進行，讓到呢個屬靈嘅家可以延續落去，為到我嘅下一代、我嘅下一代都可以繼續喺溫浸呢個地方，特別呢個社區嘅鄰舍都可以成為佢哋嘅屬靈嘅家。